Currently, there are white swan events going place, which is a very positive indicator for the cryptocurrency market. Greetings, I am aware that you guys are enjoying incredible xrps for approximately 60 cents. That's right, guys, it's almost exactly 60 cents or 59.6 cents. Oh, what is that? Are you sure that this is what's going on? Unquestionably in the green spot, wait a minute. Bitcoin is currently trading at approximately $60,000, and we are witnessing consolidation before the next leg upward. How come we continue to be afraid? Is that something? Since that is completely insane, I have no idea what you mean. There are so many positive things on the horizon. Why? Due to the fact that certain analysts, traders in cryptocurrencies are expressing their anticipation that the XRP 7-year pennant breakout will occur within the next few weeks. We are extremely close to one another. Again, I am fairly certain that there is a significant amount of opposition. Guys, what XRP needs to do is break out to a price that is higher than 63 cents or anything like that. At a low of 60 cents, when that occurs, it is basically time to do something, right? It's hard for me to think that we might really be right there, folks. Is it even possible? In all honesty, my heart is beating quite fast. I have no idea why we have been immersed in XRP for the past 7 years. Is that really the case? So are you all prepared? I am the Let's speak about some of the catalysts that will cause the price of XRP to go up, which is something that came as a surprise. At this point, gentlemen, we have completed our enjoyable portion of the XRP community. At this point, this is fairly fascinating. Blockchain is a significant cryptocurrency exchange. There is now XRP listed on Robinhood. Consequently, as we can see, the crypto gurus at Robinhood listed Ripple. But I have no idea why. Let's imagine we are in the midst of another bull cycle and individuals are suggesting that we purchase Ripple. You mean the corporation or do you mean XRP there? Digital asset, guys, but XRP right here. Right, so this is interesting, guys. Right now, people are claiming that it's only listed, but you can't trade it though. This is intriguing, guys. We can hear everyone stating that it is not tradable, however. People in the EU are now able to purchase WOW XRP as it was added in the EU to begin with right euros right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, and right there we go right. What kind of craziness is that, guys? Again, it seems as like they are aware that it is going to happen, right? It appears that this is the case, gentlemen. That is true. This is what is most likely going to take place with XRP. Now, when we discuss Robinhood, there has been a significant upgrade. Derivatives of XRP are acquiring a significant amount of traction. One of the most significant sources of liquidity at the moment is found in derivatives, and this activity is taking place in real time. A number of cryptocurrencies, including XRP derivatives, Robinhood, Bitstamp, and Ripple, are getting ready to take place right now. Consider the perspective of a company or an investor from an institution. Additionally, they want access to the things that we provide. Their goal is to have access to the equity markets around the clock, profit rates, quality of service to customers, and the like. Therefore, I believe that over the course of time, you will see us expanding our services to include not just retail clients but also enterprises and institutions as opposed to simply retail customers. To that aim, we have announced that we will be acquiring Bitstamp, which is a cryptocurrency exchange that operates on a global scale. The fact that this company operates not only on a global scale but also on an institutional level is one of the many reasons why it is so appealing. Provides us with access to a completely new consumer base that we are not already serving directly at this time. Over the next 10 years, I believe that we will be able to accomplish much more of that. Within the next several months, we will be creating our very own electronic derivatives exchange. Furthermore, this is something that we are quite enthusiastic about, and we have high hopes of working closely with folks from that location as well. Bitstamp as a service is currently in the process of integrating some of the top 30 commercial banks in the world. As a result, these commercial banks will provide Bitstamps with cryptocurrency. There is no doubt that this is something that we are quite proud of. There was a mention of Ripple. How come? Due to the fact that Riplex, the Ripple people, are the ones who created that video. The XRP Ledger series, which they built on, has returned. Today, she is a member of Bitstamp, and find out how Abyss, which is one of the cryptocurrency exchanges that has been around the longest, is witnessing an increase in the demand for quick international payments that make use of the XRP Ledger. What's particularly strange is that, in a tweet that was sent out a few months ago, Bitstamp stated, "I took this picture of the moon last night and the moon was revealing which digital asset, which cryptocurrency, and which crypto asset it was." Exactly the same. Not even XRP. Nothing but XRP is being used. To put it another way, individuals, we are discussing transactions. Exchanges that involve manipulating everything, beloved by XRP. What is it? But if you thought that was the end of it, boys, you are wrong. If you could just give today's video a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. Once more, these are the announcements and the news that we need to start encountering to propel the price of XRP upward. It is time to get going as soon as it breaks out of this triangle, which is something that we are going to be discussing on the chart in a short while. To add insult to injury, Gregory Mannarino is said to have purchased further XRP. Take a listen to this. Having some exposure to the cryptocurrency industry here, again, you know how I feel about XRP. I've spoken about it many times. Bitcoin, it's Trump's favorite. It only continues talking there. We go people, right? Fascinating. And that was just recently, I guess today or yesterday, right? All right, guys, it was just yesterday. More XRP is being purchased by them. However, a large number of people are selling. Let's get down and discuss it now. As a result, not only is our community bullish on XRP, guys, but other communities are as well. Additionally, there are other communities embedded inside the cryptosphere. How come? XRP appears to be in a very strong position. Something is getting ready to happen. Would the past happen again? Take a look at the chart down below. Exactly. This kind of consolidation stage has been witnessed before, don't you think? The price of XRP begins to go in the green right now. Right, that's the moment. The candles are emerald green, weekly, and then once it was just grinding up a little bit, folks, that's what occurred, right? An explosion is happening. The same thing it starts to see. We're starting to see green grind higher, and then it explodes, right? So what we need to first go through is looking at this price right here. The XRP cryptocurrency is encountering opposition, and this is the most significant resistance that we need to overcome, people. When it eventually goes like this, it will be the moment when it ultimately goes. Now that the resistance is low 60 cents, you should blast out. All right, let's say this is 6162.63 cents. We need to take it to a higher level, don't you think, guys? Something needs to happen very soon. I am hoping that it does now. In the first 24 hours of 2017, we are witnessing repeated fractals that are incredibly similar to one another. Observe that, you guys. On the other hand, let's imagine that it was precisely the same thing when additional persons broke above once more. There was a slight grinding sound coming from it, rise gradually, but then suddenly erupt. Is it the same thing that is taking place right now? A gradual ascent, followed by an explosion. I certainly hope that is the case, people, but you are aware that in addition to having other people see USC, we also have additional people's Ethereum charts right here, correct? For the most part, additional individuals see Ethereum, just take a look at it. People, it's attempting to set new standards, isn't it? Isn't it? Also, gentlemen, take these highs from me. To reiterate, you guys are looking pretty powerful indeed. Surely there must be something coming in, right? In the case of Bitcoin, XRP is compared to Bitcoin. The situation might be a little bit different now that Bitcoin is involved, right? Due to the fact that Bitcoin is gaining momentum, yet as far as Bitcoin is concerned, it might just go like this, right? Left in a sideways position till it finally explodes. XRP in comparison to Bitcoin, because I am confident that Bitcoin will continue to rise. Having said that, for additional people's USD, right, talking about in dollars, guys, a significant move is on the horizon, right, which will destroy every other asset. Comparing return on investment, guys, are why the monthly Bollinger Bands are being used. This is on the monthly, not the weekly, by the way, and it is the monthly that is being discussed here. Looking at this chart, there are no erroneous indications that can be derived from the charts. Not a single there exists. There is not a single false signal, gentlemen. Place your bets on the Bollinger Bands, which are literally the narrowest they have ever been, because the monthly Bollinger Bands are the tightest they have ever been. This is something that you guys just can't make up. That's what I mean. Line will go down like that, right? And the red will go like this, men, and the mouth will open up extremely wide, right? And then we will close tight once more, extremely wide, close tight, extremely wide. And at some point, we will get to a close sight all the way through. To the right of that, it's possible that more explosions will occur later on, folks. Wow, wow, and wow, again, I couldn't be more thrilled. Because of the blow-off top, the coins kit has been used. The top blows off month of January 2018 for XRP. Within the 5-day time window for the coins kit, we have only observed 2 buy indications for XRP. I just wanted to let you know that we have just printed a third one on the ribbon. Wow, hold on. What do you think about this indicator, guys? It is only printed in there are 2 more situations when a purchase indication applies. It is the 3rd time that this has happened. Specifically, since the year 2018, the very last time we saw somebody purchasing that hat. This is what transpired here. Indeed, that is what took place, right? Awaits the occurrence of specific events such as the declaration of certain things, right? On sale for those who are red. Yes, that is what happened after that. It is looking extremely fantastic on the 5-day currently, and you should recall that Brad talked about a minimum of 5 trillion market cap by the end of 2024. Now, folks, we have seen that there is at least 3 trillion more to go. From this point on, we still have at least 3 trillion to go. Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana are not going to be the key to our success in this endeavor. I mean, if Ripple does one day genuinely activates right and truly targets all of these markets, routes, and paths, then it is going to be simple. Of course, the price will go nowhere but up, but it is going to be straightforward. Would you agree that this is most likely after the collapse? Not at this time, gentlemen. Not yet. The whole thing is about supposition, right? But when this activates definitely real-world utility, right, things like that. And that's probably only after the collapse as well, not hilarious device, but who knows? Fear of missing out, FOMO, and all these other kinds of retail merchandise as a result, XRP with 3 digits is not too far-fetched. To be honest, perhaps in the long run. In my opinion, it is not an unrealistic expectation. It seems to me that it is not impossible. Additionally, we will be holding a Token 2049 lineup in Singapore the following week. This will take place in a short amount of time, guys. First, let's take a look at this. Who will be present at the event? Do you agree that every single big player is included? Ripple is particularly referenced within the space that is occupied by TradFi and DeFi, which is, to say the least, a beautiful thing. Do you agree? Then there are the 2022 Twitter files, which, according to you, revealed everything there is to know about Ethgate and the corrupt practices of the SEC. that they intend to deceive investors and hold